Today, we are going to learn the simple past tense. Simple past is very important in English because we use it when we talk about finished actions in the past. For example, yesterday, last night, 2 days ago, last week, when I was a child. These words usually show us the past. Now listen carefully. In present simple, we talk about habits, routines, and things that are generally true. I play football every day. She studies English, they go to school. But in simple past, the action is finished. I played football yesterday. She studied English last night. They went to school 2 days ago. So the meaning changes from now to the past. Now, let's look at positive sentences. In positive simple past sentences, we usually use the second form of the verb. I go becomes I went. I see becomes I saw. I eat becomes I ate. I play becomes I played. Regular verbs usually take it. Play, played, watch, watched, clean, cleaned, study, studied. But irregular verbs change in a different way. Go, went, see, saw, eat, ate, make, made, take, took. Now the most important rule. In questions and negative sentences, we use did or didn't. When we use did or didn't, the main verb goes back to its base form. Listen. Present simple question. Do you play every day? Simple past question. Did you play yesterday? Present simple negative. I don't play every day. Simple past negative. I didn't play yesterday. Do not say, did you play? Say, did you play? Do not say, I didn't went. Say, I didn't go. Why? Because did already shows the past, so the main verb does not need the past form again. Did you go? I didn't go. Did she see? She didn't see. Did they eat? They didn't eat. Sometimes we use do plus verb or did plus verb to make the sentence stronger. I love you means a normal sentence, but I do love you means I really love you. Now in the past, I loved you means a normal past sentence. I did love you means I really loved you. So do plus verb makes the present meaning stronger. I do want to learn. I do believe you. I do need help. And did plus verb makes the past meaning stronger. I did try. I did study. I did love you. I did believe you. After did and didn't, always use the base verb. That is the key. Now let's learn simple past with rhythm. Simple past, we go back. Yesterday facts on a smooth rap track. Do you play? Did you play? Today is now past went away. I don't go, I didn't go. Do you know? Did you know? Verb 2 in the positive line, but after did, verb 1 is fine. I played today, I played last night. I study now, I study right. I walk today, I walk before. I open now, I open the door. Regular verbs take it, you see. Played, walked, watched with me. Clean becomes clean, try becomes tried. Carry became carried side by side. But not all verbs follow that road. Some verbs change with a special code. Go, went, gone, see, saw, seen. Eat, ate, eaten, clean, stays clean. Present simple every day. Simple past finished far away. Last night, yesterday, 2 days ago. Use the past and let it flow. Do you play? Did you play? Do you stay? Did you stay? Do you go? Did you go? Now the past is in the flow. I don't play, I didn't play. I don't stay, I didn't stay. I don't go, I didn't go. After didn't, base verb, bro. Do you watch TV at night? Did you watch TV last night? Do you study every day? Did you study yesterday? Does she cook? Did she cook? Does he read? Did he read? Does it work? Did it work? It makes the sentence lead. Don't say, did he went? Don't say, did she cooked? Say, did he go? Say, did she cook? Did already shows the past, so the main verb changes back fast. Did you see? Did you make? Did you take a little break? Did you go? Yes, I went. Did you send? Yes, I sent. Did you buy? Yes, I bought. Did you think? Yes, I thought. Did you eat? Yes, I ate. Did you come? Yes, I came. Did you write? Yes, I wrote. Now you know the past tense game. I don't want it every day. I didn't want it yesterday. She doesn't like this rainy sky. She didn't like it, that is why. He doesn't know the answer now. He didn't know it anyhow. We don't speak in class today. We didn't speak that way. Don't becomes didn't in the past. Doesn't becomes didn't fast. After didn't use verb 1. That's the rule and now we're done. I didn't went. No, no, no. I didn't go. Yes, that's the flow. She didn't cooked. No, no, no. She didn't cook. Now you know. I love you means my heart is true. I do love you means yes I do. Do plus verb makes feeling strong. Now the sentence sings along. I liked you then my words are true. I did like you. Yes I did too. Did plus verb means really then. A strong past feeling once again. I wanna learn. I really do. I do want to learn with you. I tried before. I really did. I did try hard. When I was a kid, I do believe, I did believe, I do receive, I did receive. Do for now, did for past, strong emotion built to last. I am happy now, I was happy then. You are here now, you were there when. He is tired now, he was tired too. They are ready now, they were with you. Am I late? Was I late? Are you fine? Were you fine? Is she here? Was she here? Has to be, is crystal clear. I'm not late, I wasn't late. You weren't sad. You weren't sad. He isn't here. He wasn't here. Now the past is in your ear. I have a pen, I had it then. I get a call, I got it again. I find my book, I found my key. I feel so good, I felt so free. I tell the truth, I told my dad. I lose the game, I lost not bad. I meet my friend, I met him there. I wear a coat, I wore with care. Did you have? Yes I had. Did you feel? Yes I felt glad. Did you find? Yes I found. Past tense rhythm, hear the sound. Yesterday I played outside. Last night I watched the sky. 2 days ago I called my friend. Last week the story found its end. Do you learn English every day? Did you learn English yesterday? I don't forget the rule today. I didn't forget it yesterday. Does he speak English in class? Did he speak English in the past? He doesn't speak fast every day. He didn't speak fast yesterday. Do I need verb 2? It did. No. Keep verb 1 after did. Did you saw? No, no, no. Did you see? That's how we go. When? Yesterday. What? I learned where? At school, then I returned. Who did you see? I saw my friend. How did it start? How did it end? Simple past, we go back, back. Finished actions on the track. Positive, use verb 2. I played, I went, I saw you. Question, did plus base verb now. Did you go? Did she know how? Negative, didn't plus base again. I didn't go, she didn't send. Do you play? Did you play? I don't play. I didn't play. I don't love you now, it's true. I did love you then, yes, I did too. After did, the verb stays clean. No past form in between. Simple past, now we know. Say it loud and let it flow.